Make a great choice today with the 2024 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.